But if I had to choose one, I'd be no son of a gun. Take a look at my, she's the only girlfriend.
Add new project, then add one photo. Always remember that our format is 1:1. Add overlay. Edit, then crop it to 1:1. Zoom. Add keyframe at the middle of the photo. Then copy and bring down the copy. Put the line on the keyframe, then add mask split. Rotate it to -45 degrees. Add keyframe at the end, then go to mask, and do this. Click the second overlay, then put mask split. Rotate to the other side or 135 degrees. Put keyframe at the end again, then adjust the mask split like this.
Tada.
Add effect. Party, then click ripples. Adjust. Export it. Add new project, then add it. Adjust both sides until the duration is 1.5. Add animation. Combo. Find the cube. Adjust the size to your desire. Canvas. Color, then choose color what you want. Export. Add this to our previous edit. New project, then add photo. We need 2 photos this time. Format is 1:1. Click the box between the 2 clips to add transitions. Add mix. Then export it. Add new project again, then add it there. Adjust to 3.1. then 0.9. Zoom in your photo, then go to Canvas to change the background color. Click the clip, then add animation flip 3. Add to keyframe. Zoom at the end. Then export. Add to the previous projects. This is the last clip. I'm so happy. Add new project, then add photo. Adjust it to 1.4. Add animation spin out. Export it. Go back, then add it, then delete the other clip. Click it, then reverse. Adjust to 1.0. Go back, then new project. This is the fold effect. Add photo. Adjust it to 0.6. Copy it, then back, click the overlay logo, then click the photo, then find overlay to take it down. Click the overlay, then edit it and rotate like this. Add to keyframe. Move it like this. Then export it. Back and add it, then delete the other clip. Mask, then split. Then export it, then go back to the previous project and add it. Add overlay or the fold effect. Slant it like this. Add mask, then do this. Then export it, then add it to out her or the song project. Copy, hold, and move it to the end. Export it, then this is the final results.
But if I had to choose her or the sun, I'd be